well, since I'm back on YouTube, I got this. It's an X-Shot Nerf gun. So basically how it works. Put this down, put in the dart, put it back up, and just have fun.
Claypool, third year, second round pick out of Notre Dame. Yeah, this offensive line's having a nice night.
Thank you, everyone. Please enjoy my videos. They're golden.
These guys really hold up in here
Gold.
on the inside.